gonna teach you guys how to get more views on YouTube. If you have just made a new YouTube channel, you have to upload content that are trending on YouTube right now. Remember, tags on YouTube videos don't really matter that much. Now, I'm not saying that don't put tags on your videos, you can put them. What is that really matters is the video title, the video thumbnail, and the description. Now here are some recommended things to put on your description. Now how do you make a good titles? I will show you. First of all, you will go to your YT Studio, then you will go to Analytics, and then you will go in Research. And now you have to type what is the topic of your video. Like mine is how to get more view on YouTube. When you type the title you want for your video, then click next. Yeah. And then you will get recommended things that you should use as a title, and it has also shown searched on YouTube. So for this video I'm gonna use this title. Okay guys, for now I'm gonna wrap it up. If you want me to make more of these kinds of videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.